Close-up moments, a deep dive into expressive English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, close-up moment. This phrase is not just about photography or film. It's a metaphor used in everyday English. So, let's dive in and discover its meaning and usage. Close-up moment originates from the world of photography and film, where a close-up shot tightly focuses on a subject, capturing intricate details and expressions. In everyday English, a close-up moment refers to a situation where something or someone is given intense focus or attention. It's a moment that is emotionally significant or highlighted in a story or conversation. To grasp the essence of close-up moments, let's look at some examples. During the interview, when she talked about her childhood, it was a real close-up moment. The close-up moment of the ceremony was when the couple exchanged vows. In these instances, close-up moment signifies times of emotional intensity or importance in a narrative. In everyday conversation, you might use close-up moment to emphasize a point or to highlight a personal experience. It's a great tool for storytelling, allowing you to draw your listeners' attention to the most critical or emotionally charged parts of your story. And that's a wrap on close-up moments. Remember, this phrase is a wonderful way to add color to your stories and conversations, focusing on the moments that truly matter. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has helped enrich your understanding and usage of English. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of language.